Hi, I'm Fred George Sauer, and I invite you to a workshop we have at the end of the month, the 30th, Tuesday the 30th of October, about stress management. And what we present is something very unique. We show you a real-time stress management technique which you can use anywhere, anytime, at work and at home. So you'll learn some real actionable techniques, and we'll tell you the background why they work, because our techniques are science-based and they work for you right away in the office, at work, or at home. So sign up for this workshop, and if you can't make it to the workshop, we have a book. Go to our website SciStress.com and you can get my book. We have reduced the price and you can get the book and get the same information to read at home.